Hello, today we are going to learn about the KVL. Now just go to file, go to new schematic. This is the where we are going to draw the circuit diagram. Now let me draw the circuit that we are going to study. This is the voltage that we are going to apply, and we are going to connect 3 resistance, and we are going to verify our KVL. This is the VA, V we are going to apply. This will be R1, R2 and R3. Here we are going to keep as 2, 3 and 5 ohm. These are in ohm. Now this is your, and V we are going to apply 10 volt. Now this is your simple KVL that we are going to learn over here. Now there will be current flowing over here. Now if you calculate the voltage, now voltage across this will be 2 volt and voltage across this will be 3 volt and voltage across this will be 5 volt. This is just a potential divider that easily you can get it. How you got 10 volt? 10 into 2 by total voltage R1 plus R2 plus R3, which is nothing but 2 plus 3 plus 5. 10 by 10 into 2 means 2 volt you are going to get here. Similarly 3 volt and 5 volt. We are going to construct same circuit in the LT spice. Now we are going to delete all this one. Now here we are going to go to this component, and from component go and select this voltage. This is the voltage that we have selected, and just put escape button. Now we need to select 3R. This is R1 we have selected. Now make Control R for rotation. This is the R we have done. This will be R2 and this is your R3. This is a 3R we have selected. Now we need to connect with the wire. This is the wire we have taken. Now we are connecting. This is the connection we are doing from R1 to R2, then R2 to R3, then R3 to again voltage source. Now this is we have done. Now in this simulator, unless and until you put ground somewhere, it is not going to run. This is the ground we have put, and we are going to connect this one. Now your circuit has been connected. Now we need to put the values of V, R, R1, R2, R3. Now what is V? This is the 10 volt we are going to keep. This is DC we are going to keep. And what is R? We have taken 2 ohm. This is in ohm. Here 3 ohm and here 5 ohm we have done. Now we need to simulate. How to simulate? This is the run. Here see it is run command. Just run it. Now they will be asking transient time, means till what time it wants to run. Means I have just given 10 millisecond. Till this time we want to operate, and put OK. Now this is where you are going to get the plot. Now what we want, suppose we are going to keep here cursor, then this is going to give you, suppose now if you keep the cursor over here, then this will calculate the voltage with reference to ground, means it will be giving you 10 volt. Now here if you see, now here if I am keeping the cursor, this is the one cursor it is coming, but for multimeter there must be one for the input, and there must be 2 cursor, but here whenever there is one cursor, then it will be second cursor will be considered as ground. Now if you keep cursor over here, the first cursor will give the voltage across this one, and second it will be considered as the ground. Now let me delete all this one. Now we are going to keep this cursor. See, it will be giving you 10 volt. This is the 10 volt we have got, and what we need the voltage across this and this, across R1. Then what we will do, just click over here and hold, and then keep here that there is red, and here it comes black. Now it will keep the voltage across R1. Now leave over here. Now see, this is the voltage that we got. This is VN 001, means voltage between this one and this one. This is the voltage we have got. Now if you want to calculate voltage between this one and this one, voltage across R2, then just keep your cursor over here and then drop over here, it will give the voltage across R2. Now this see between N002 and 003, this is the voltage that we are getting, it is around 3 volt. Now if you keep the cursor here only, then it is going to keep the voltage, and second cursor it will be taking as a ground. Now if I keep here, now it is giving as a ground. Now let me change our bottom limit, we have kept it 0, and just for rearrangement purpose I am doing nothing much, and here I am taking means it will be taking our voltage after that value. Now this is just for arrangement purpose we have done. Now see, this is the input voltage applied VN001, this is VN001, 10 volt has been applied, and what is between N001 and N002, this is the value with the blue color. See, this in blue color what we are going to get 2 volt, and N002 and N003, this is the red one, here we are going to get 3 volt, and if you N003 means voltage across this one, this 5 ohm, it is 5. Now if you add 5 plus 3 plus 2, now if you add the voltage, this 2 plus 3 volt and plus 5 volt, it is going to give you 10 volt. This is the KVL that we have done. Now see, this is N001 and N002 and N003. Suppose you want to rename with your way, then now first delete all this thing. Now I want to rename this one. Now I am just cutting this one and I will be renaming here. Just put your cursor over here, put a left click and level net. Now this I am giving as a VA and put over here. This will be your VA. Now just put the escape button, and now this will be your VB. This is the VB that we have given here. Name this as a VC. Now if you want to calculate between VA and VB, this is a 2 point that we have kept. Now again I am running this one, and see, if I just click over here, this is we are going to get a 10 volt means VA. Second one is reference. Now if you want to calculate between point VA and VB, what will be VA minus VB? Just put over here, click and then leave over here. This will give you, see, it is around 2 volt. Now and this is your VA comma VB means VA minus VB it is coming. Now if you want to click over here, just leave over here, this will give you VB minus VC. This, see, this red one is VB minus VC. And now if you just click over here, and second one will be ground, this is around 5 volt. Now let me arrange this one. What we have taken this as a 0. Now let me make this as a 0 volt and make this as 10 and just make this as a 1000. Now it will be easy to see. VA is in this color, it is 10 volt. Now if you see, this is your VA, it is 10. Now what is VA minus VB? This is in blue color, it is 2 volt, and VB minus VC, what is this one? It is 3 volt, and VC, what is it? Is 5 volt. Means 2 plus 5 plus 3, you are going to get 10 volt. So this is your KVL that we have performed today. Next class we are going to see about the KCL. Now this is all about the KVL.